everyone, my name is Ngapha and today I will show you how to make my favorite food, Bolognese pizza. First here we got 2 pizza dough that I bought from Vinmart. Second we got some rosemary leaves. Next we got some grated cheese and ground beef, corn and tomato sauce. First, we just stir fry the ground beef, as you see here, and also stir fry the corn. So now let's make the pizza. We take 1 pizza dough, 1 bowl of tomato sauce, put 2 spoons of tomato sauce in. Spread it. Spread it that it fills the pizza.
Make it carefully, please. Okay.
Next, we need to put our beef and corn. So now I will put the beef in. Now we spread the beef. Then now we spread our coins. And now we put our first topping in is our grated cheese. The grated cheese helps the beef and corn connect to the pizza dough. Next, we put the rosemary in. The rosemary leaves usually help the pizza to taste delicious. So now we get a pizza. Now let's bake. We put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes in 200 degrees.
I love pizza.
Now the pizza is done. I usually make pizza on Saturday and I love eating pizza with my family. Oh, delicious.
It is yummy. It's
Yummy.
Good.
The pizza is delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.